Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to hide Task View button from Windows 10 taskbar using Registry Editor. Task View, this one, is a task switcher and virtual desktop system that was introduced in Windows 10 and is among the first features new to Windows 10. This allows a user to quickly locate and open window, quickly hide all windows and show the desktop, and to manage windows across multiple monitors or virtual desktop. To show or hide task view button in Windows 10 taskbar using registry editor, first click on this one start button, then type here registry. In the search results, click on this one registry editor entry. In case Windows prompts, click on this one yes button. Now you need to copy and paste this one path from this one video description. Just copy and paste and then press enter on the keyboard. This will take you up to advanced key in the left sidebar of the registry editor. On the right, scroll down and find this one show task view button. Double click on this one. To hide this one task view button, you need to set here value data 0, and in case you want to show the task view button, you need to set here value data 1. I will hide it, so I will put here value data 0. After that, click on this one OK button. It should immediately hide this one task view button from Windows 10 taskbar. In case it does not immediately hide, either restart your PC or right click on the free space on the taskbar and select here Task Manager. In case Task Manager opens with fewer details, click on this one More Details button. Now under Processes tab, scroll down to the bottom, select Windows Explorer and then click on this one Restart button. This will remove task view button from Windows 10 taskbar. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it. And if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.